So this is the Tatler's School's Guide to really simple makeup. And I'm starting with Hannah, who is so beautiful and I love her to pieces. Just foundation on this gorgeous face, just so you learn how to put on foundation really easily and quickly in the morning. So I'm going to start with toning. This will remove any residue of your cleansing process and get you ready for the moisturiser before you put the foundation on. Then use a Camellia water, which is a really lovely light cream. I'm just going to massage this into Hannah's face. And I love to give a bit of a massage. I think it's so nice. There we go. So now the skin is now prepped. So now we're going to find the right colour foundation. I'm now using a wonderful new product by Chanel, the Beiges Touche de Teint Water Fresh Complexion Touch. It's really light, it's really easy to use, and it's absolutely wonderful. Okay, so I'm now going to blend in the back of my hand, and then I'm going to sweep it over the face. It will blend in to be the correct colour for her skin, don't worry about that. You'll see it blending in. But we're also knocking back any sort of impurities. So I'm now going to use my finger and just blend it across my finger, massaging it in with my finger. Even easier. It's so gorgeous. Now down a tiny bit down the neck so it's all blended in. Lift your head up, my angel. Taking it down just a little bit down the neck. This is the one process in your makeup I do not want you to rush. I really want you to spend the time, be very, very, very thorough in putting on the foundation, because this is the most important thing for the entire makeup look. If your foundation is good, your makeup will be good. Knocking it under, going up onto the forehead, and Hannah's beautiful skin, taking it into the hairline always. Make sure you go into the hairline. And then on the eyelid, just a little bit on the eyelid, taking it across into the hairline to give the final blending with the brush. This is a really fine, beautiful foundation. Just blend it in. So it's absolutely seamless. Make sure you blend it around the nose properly. Traditional Chanel concealer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit of concealer. That's it. And then with my finger, I'm just going to massage this in gently. By the way, okay, I want to tell you something. This finger is too strong for makeup. This is too weak. So these two, your creative fingers, you can use either one. And the other side, knock it in. And you can see how it just lifts the eye area, just a weeny, weeny bit. That's the foundation done. So I'm just giving Hannah just a tiny bit of neutral lipstick. Rub, darling? Perfect. Right, so now this gorgeous blush. Knock it in the back of your hand so you never have too much on the brush. And then very gently on the cheekbone. Further back on the cheekbone and back into the hairline. On the cheekbone. Let me see if it's even. There you go. And into the hairline at the back. There we go, sweeping it back and forth now. Perfect. Have a look at yourself in the mirror.
Yeah, that looks great.
Foundation, concealer, and a little bit of blush and a bit of lip balm. And that's all this is. It's 4 products that has made a huge difference.